This is an edge polishing machine where the piece of stone travels through the machine horizontally. The configuration of the machine can be from 6 to 8 flat polishing heads and 1 to 3 top and bottom chamfering heads. Our most commonly sold machine is with 7 flat heads and 3 top and bottom chamfering heads. This machine can have both an ingoing and an outgoing mandrel. The ingoing mandrel can be used as a calibration unit to calibrate the thickness of the stone so that you get an accurate chamfer. You can also put a blade on this mandrel and use it to create drip cuts, LED grooves, or even stair treads. The outgoing mandrel can be used to smooth the underside of the stone. You can also put a blade on this mandrel too and use it to create 45-degree mitre cuts. You can also put a first stage profiling wheel on to create a profiled edge so that you can hand finish afterwards. This machine also has the option of an ingoing front edge calibration unit. This unit is used to square off the front edge of the stone, particularly useful if your saw is cutting off square, and it can help square the cut up before you polish it. This feature is now becoming a must-have for all of our edge polishers. It essentially gives the edge polisher a computer brain. One of the main advantages it gives you is the ability to create perfectly consistent chamfers. It does this by measuring the thickness of the stone through the whole piece of the slab and adjusting the first diamond wheel so that you get an accurate 1.5 or 2.5 mil chamfer all the way down the edge of the slab. It also gives you the capability of doing stop chamfering, so you can tell the machine when to start or stop chamfering, especially useful for pieces that have a seam in. You can also control the thickness or size of your chamfer, all using the computer. You can also make fine adjustments to the ingoing and outgoing mandrels using the computer. You can also set up saved programs for different material types, different material thicknesses, and also different chamfer sizes, which is especially useful for different types of contracts you may have. These machines are the most configurable machines on the market. You may be wondering what options to choose, but don't worry. Get in touch with Stonegate and we will walk you through everything available and help you in creating your dream edge polisher.